What's up, guys? It's Nick from Budget Bill Garage. I'm here with a couple of my buddies coming back from a road trip, picking up our new project car somewhere back there. As you can see, 69 Mustang. It's probably the nicest project car I've ever purchased. We're in Bakersfield, about 4 hours from home, probably less, probably like 3. Once we get there, we'll do a quick walk around of the car, show you what we're working with, and go over some plans for it. Cool. Nick here from Budget Bill Garage. We're on fill-up number 3 on the way home from picking up the Mustang. It was 500 miles up north to get it out in Grass Valley, and we are heading home. We got another 150, so yeah, about a 1,000-mile road trip for this guy. Like I said earlier, it's in amazing shape. It's got this awesome 302 in it. It was an inline 6 car. You can tell by this super awesome, cute little radiator. It only fills up about half of what it should. But yeah, we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix everything. This thing's gonna be awesome. This thing is super clean. Like, this is probably the greatest example of a nice built car. Whoever put it in didn't butcher anything, so I'm pumped. I don't have to rewire anything nasty or weird. Couple of upgrades, quick tune-up, and this thing will be on the road. Look for that in our next video. If you like this one, go ahead and like, subscribe, send me a comment. I'll reply. Thanks.